This is the first episode of my brand new Soups of the Week series, where every Thursday night at 7 PM I bring you a brand new soup recipe. This week I'm making roast tomato mascarpone soup, and this is how you do it. Begin by taking 1 kilo of tomatoes and tip them into a roasting tray. Now take 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to crush them and remove the skins. Roughly chop the garlic and add it into the same tray as your tomatoes. Now we're going to pour over 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Add in some herbs. You could use thyme or rosemary. Today I'm using rosemary. Give a generous season of salt and pepper. Place them in the oven at 220 degrees C until they burst and release all of those delicious juices. Now these have been in the oven for about 50 minutes. You can see they're all juicy and breaking down and the skins have burst. At this point, you want to put them into the pan. Place the pan over a low heat. Top it up with 600 ml boiling water. Give it a stir and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Pick out any of the woody herbs if you've used them. Turn off the heat, and now we're going to blend it using a stick blender. Pass the soup through a sieve just to get out any of the herbs that might be in there, or any of the skins that might be a bit rough, and that way we're going to end up with a lovely silky smooth tomato soup. Now we're going to pour the soup back into the pan and place it back over a low heat. Now stir in 2 tablespoons of mascarpone cheese. Add in 1 tablespoon of sherry vinegar, give it a little stir and simmer it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Don't forget to season to taste before serving. Banging. Serve with a nice spoonful of mascarpone. And if you're feeling extra indulgent, you can give it a nice little swirl of cream as well. There you have it, that's my roast tomato and mascarpone soup. It's silky smooth, it's warming, it's delicious, and you really need to try it. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to take your roast potatoes to the next level, then check out this video right here. The Soups of the Week series, where every Thursday night at 7 PM I bring you a brand new soup recipe.